Hello, fellow bulleteers. As I have promised earlier, I am back with another video on how this exhaust sounds without a DB killer. So let's jump into the video. This exhaust is not too loud, not too quiet. It has that perfect balance of thump and bass, which every bulleteer wants from his bullet. I wonder why this exhaust is not popular as other alternatives. Let's see in the future. It is the DB killer which I have removed from the exhaust. It has a lock nut, but still the lock nut is welded, I think due to some legal obligations. This is how your bullet will look if you install this exhaust to your bullet. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.